Good morning, student. This is Dr. Magfa Parvin, Assistant Professor of BBA Department, KSMS. This lecture video is for BBA second sem students. This video is on sampling theory. So, in this video, I will discuss about what is several types of sampling theory. Okay. So, um, I have already told you that there are two types of sampling: probability sampling and non-probability sampling. Non-probability sampling are four types: convenience sampling, judgment sampling, quota sampling, and snowball sampling. Okay, so first we will discuss about simple random sampling. Here, this is the population, and we will select the sample. Okay, the population is contains all the elements, and we will take the elements BTGK. So probability of selected will be Ni by capital N, where Ni is the number of population and capital N is the sample. When population is rather uniform, for example, schools or college, low cost houses, we will take the simplest, fastest and cheapest way. This could be reliable. Why? Population is not uniform and wrong procedure. Okay. So random selection will contain pick any element and use random table. Okay. Next, the stratified random sampling. Here there are the population and this is the sampling. First one, stratum 1 equal to odd number and stratum 2 equal to even number. So we will break the population into meaningful strata and take random sample from each stratum. Can be proportionate or disproportionate within the strata. When population is not very uniform, for example shoppers or houses, we will use this stratified random sampling. Next, systematic sampling. In systematic sampling, we will simple or stratified in nature. Systematic in the picking up of elements. For example, every fifth visitor, every 10,000, every 15 minutes. Okay. So, what is the step? Number of population will be 1 to n. Decide one of the sample size. This is small n. So, decides on the interval size. This will be k equal to capital N by n. Select an integer between 1 to k. Take care for every kth unit. Okay. Next, cluster sampling. Here, research involves spatial issues. Sampling involves analysis of geographic units. Sampling involves extensive traveling. So, try to minimize the logistic and resources. What is the steps? Divide population into clusters. That means localities. Choose cluster randomly. That means simple, random, or stratified, etc. Take care all of the cases from each cluster. Okay. So what is non-probability sampling methods? This is convenience sampling. That means that non-probability sample used primarily because they are easy to collect. Next, judgment samples. That means non-probability samples in which the selection criteria based on personal judgment that the element is representative of the population under study. Okay. Next, quota samplings are non-probability samples in which population subgroups are classified on the basis of researchers or judgments. Next, snowball samples, that means non-probability samples in which selection of additional response is based on referrals from the initial response. Okay. So these are all the samplings. I think you all understand the basic of all the samplings. Next, we will go for further details. Okay. So thank you, students. Thank you all.